Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another topic. Today my topic is something special actually. Today I am going to show you how to give a wiring connection for the Tens brand ATC 200 digital display, otherwise digital thermostat. It is a microcomputer temperature controller. This is the item. I will show you. This is the item. So many technicians they asking how we are giving to connection for this, because it is mentioned something different, but while we are going to the according to the this wiring diagram, it's getting damaged because the defect damage, otherwise burning. Because of that you have you can see I having different type of thermostat, digital thermostat, otherwise thermocontroller. So many thermocontrollers are here. Now I'm going to show you how to give correct wiring connection for the compressor and fan. You can see here I having one compressor, also the fan. Now I will show you how to give connection everything without any problem. You can give the connection after watching this video, and we will go to the next step. Here this is compressor. This is, we have to think, this is for the freezer evaporator fan. This is the compressor. Now I'm going to give these connections for this STC 200. You can see here STC 200 model. This one is showing wiring diagram. This one power supply here 6 and 7. Also it's showing couple that's been bypass 1 and 2. But according to the manual, this one also is showing how to give connections. This is the connection 6 and 7. We have to give 230 power. Also here is showing this one couple here 1 and 2. If you are giving that's been live and neutral, here it will get short. Because of that we have to give only the one connection. If you need live wire or only, we have to give, it should give the number 2. You can see here we have to give the number 2, any neutral or phase after that, which is you giving. If you are giving, for example, if you are giving neutral wire, we have to take the neutral here. Live wire we have to give the compressor and fan. Now I will show you other way also same. If you need neutral wire, also same, we have to give the neutral wire, otherwise live wire. Now according to the manual, this one we have to give only the number 2. Number 2 we have to give. Number 2 we have to give a neutral wire, otherwise live wire. Now I will show you how to do that. Now I'm using this one STC 200 Tens brand. You can see the brand, it is Tens. I'm using this connector bar. Now I will give the live and neutral wire here. First I will give the live and neutral. And we will give like that. Now you can see, dear friends, here I given, this is no need actually, this is earth wire. Now I given already live wire and neutral here. Also if you need here to the compressor, you can give a live wire, otherwise neutral. Now I'm giving here, I'm giving live. I'm taking to the compressor live wire because I have to take through the digital thermostat display. From this I have to take I'm going to take neutral wire. Yes, I'm going to take neutral wire. Because of that, now I am giving live to this compressor and fan motor. These two I will take. You can see here I'm using this connector bar here. I given already live wire to the compressor and fan motor. Now it's okay. Now I given both fan motor, also compressor, live wire. Now I have to take neutral through the digital thermostat. That's mean I'm taking to here. I'm using this connector. Now you can see, dear friends. Now this one main wire, that's been live and neutral wire, 230 power. Here live wire and neutral. I bypass here one live wire to the compressor. You can see here compressor and fan motor. This one I kept empty neutral wire because I have to take from the through the digital display. Because of that, now I'm going to use this digital display. Now what I have to do, I can give 230 power here. I will take two wires. Now dear friends, I have to give 230 power to the digital display. Because of that, I'm using this one here, this wire. This connection already coming with the, which is where you are going to fix fridge or anything. It is supplies should be like this same. Now I'm going to use this. This is the neutral. Because my technicians, so many technicians are asking because this wiring diagram. That's why I'm going to show you. Now I will give the 230 power connection. I have to give 6 and 7. Now this one I'm giving 6 5 here, 230 power. Now dear friends, I will show you again. This is the power connection, 230 power. I am bypass one wire here. I given live wire, that's mean neutral wire I kept here. Live wire I given direct for the compressor and fan motor. Now I have to give the 230 power to the my digital display. Because of that, now I'm going to join these two wires together. Because I'm going to give neutral wire to the here. Now according to this one, you can see here, this is neutral wire. I am giving here the connection. Here it is tight. I'm giving to number 2 here like that. Now you can see here I'm giving 1 2. This one you can see 3 is normally closed. Don't give any connection for that. Now I will do one thing. Now I will show you. Now I will give the connections. After that, its error message will come because it is I didn't give the connection for the sensor, temperature sensor, because of that. But anyway, I want to show you. Because of that, I will give the power here. I'm giving power now. Now you can see, dear friends, the E1 is showing. You can see. Now you can see, dear friend, it's error message showing because I didn't give the connection for the what you call the temperature sensor. Because of that, now I will off the power again. I will give the connection. This is the sensor. No need to remove, just I will give because I want to show you. Because of that, now I will give the sensor connection here, 4 and 5. Now I'm giving connection 4 and 5 sensor. Just here you can see. If it is getting any defect with the sensor, it will come E1 error message. Just here, now it's okay. Now I will give the connection. Now cooling sensor I already fixed. Now I will give connection again. I will give the power connection again. Now you can see, dear friends, I'm using this my analog multimeter. Now you can see here, this one now is still blinking. That means the relay not catch. Because of that, now I will show you. This is I selecting here 250 power. Now you can see here 230 power already here. Also here also, because I given already neutral wire number 2 connection. Now still not showing 230 number 1. Now after contactor catching, at the same time it should here 230 power. This one also is STC 200. This one different type actually. This one. Now, dear friends, you can see it is already, now it is stable. That means that relay already catch. That now it should come with the live wire, and that means number 7 and number 1. It should come 230 power. It should show. Now you can see, dear friends. That means through this one we have to give neutral wire to the compressor and fan motor. Now I will give the connection. After that you can understand how to do that. It is very easy job actually. Anyway, I will disconnect the power again. Now I will give the connection. I will take here neutral wire. I'm using this one here. Now it's okay. Now I have to give connection number 1. Yes dear, now it's okay. Now you can see. Now everything, now I given here sensor, cooling sensor connection 4 and 5. I will show you again. This one I already given 230 power. Let's make sure it's not short. It's not short. 230 power I given 7 and 6. Sorry, 6 and 7. And live wire it is already I fixed 7. Neutral wire I already fixed 6. Now I couple one wire to the here. This one normally close 3. It should come to 2. and I given neutral connection. After catching relay, its neutral wire, neutral should go to the compressor and fan. Now I'm giving connection, I'm giving power connection again, and at the same time this fan and compressor will get start, and I'm giving power again. Now you can see, dear friends, fan I'm keeping like that here. Also compressor, it should work. Still not catch actually the relay. Now still not catch relay. This one, after that it should start compressor and fan motor. This Tens brand actually it is cheapest digital display, otherwise thermostat from the market, but any other very expensive. Now you can see, dear friends, it is already got started. Start, fan motor also working, compressor also start. You can see fan motor also start. This is the way how to give connection for the Tens brand STC 200, because so many technicians they ask from me, that's why I make this video. This one also same. While you are watching the diagram, it will get little bit complicated because of that. Now I already given connections. If you need actually according to your system, you can give the neutral wire, otherwise what do you call the live wire. Now I given neutral only I got through the digital display, otherwise digital thermostat. Now you can see again, I'm telling, this is the Tens brand freezer thermostat. It is microcomputer temperature controller. The model wise it is STC 200. Now you can see here I given correct wiring. This compressor also working, fan motor also working. Now at the same time inner evaporator, 2 fans or otherwise a single fan. This is compressor cooling if you are thinking, this fan. But anyway, now I want to show you how to give connection only. Now it is done already, it is completed. Make sure that temperature controller, otherwise sensor, cooling sensor, you have to fix properly, otherwise it will show the error message E1, but any other is not the E1. It is different, that is according to the brand, it will different symptom. Now I think you know how to give the connection. This is the way how give connection for the STC 200 thermostat. Still compressor working, fan motor also. Now I think you learned something while watching my video, and we will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.